Welcome to the SmartScan tutorial series. We'll focus on the SmartCapture barcode file naming feature in this video. Imagine you have two purchase orders from Acorn Company printed with multiple barcodes. How can you use one of those barcodes for file naming? Let's start by looking at the SmartScan homepage. Prepare the POs and place them into the scanner. Then click the Barcode File Naming button. Here's a preview of the scanned images. Here you can make quick image adjustments. Click Next to continue. A new SmartCapture window will pop up to continue processing your documents. The barcode in the upper left corner will be extracted first. If that's not the one you want to use for file naming, you can add more fields for extraction and click Reload Document to reprocess. As you have seen, SmartCapture reads barcodes from left to right, top to bottom. You can modify the barcode identifiers freely. Once all barcodes have been extracted, click the Settings tab, then go to File Names to choose which barcode will be used for naming. This is a preview of your file naming structure. You can quickly remove and add elements or even change the order with great flexibility. We're going to choose Code 3 for this tutorial, then hit OK. Let's rewind for a moment. Barcode file naming can also be done with regular expressions. By utilizing regular expressions, you can define precise rules for both data extraction and file naming. This ensures only the intended barcodes are read and used during processing. Click Field Settings, type your regular expression commands under regex, and then click OK to save. Regex syntax rules are easy to find online if you need more options. Let's head back to where we left off. To complete the extraction setup, click Confirm and Next Document. Voila! The key data from other purchase orders of the same type will now be extracted automatically. Close the SmartCapture window. The extraction and renaming process is now complete. You can now head to the designated folder to view your scanned files. You'll see two files for each document processed. The image or PDF file is your original scanned copy, and the CSV file contains all the extracted data. This data can be easily imported into your ERP, CRM, or any other business system. Whether it's several or dozens of pages, SmartScan is your secret weapon for automation.